Let's smile and be grateful for another day. Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to our moral science class. Today, we are going to take up our new lesson, that is lesson number 11, How Science Won the Day. Children, the world around us is full of mysteries and things we want to learn more about. Each one of us has a natural curiosity to learn and find out about things and events that occur around us. So, do not be hesitant or scared to ask questions. Some of the greatest discoveries and inventions of mankind have been possible because someone was curious about something. Children, now let us read the story about Archimedes, who was a Greek mathematician, physicist, engineer, astronomer, and inventor. Now, children, let us come on to the story. The story goes like this. There was a king, and he gave some gold to a goldsmith, asking him to make a crown worthy of a king. The goldsmith returned after a few days to present the crown to the king. But the crown looked a little different to the king. When the crown was weighed, it was found to be equal in weight to the gold given to the goldsmith. Still, the color of the crown worried the king and made him suspicious. The king wanted to know the truth, so he called for Archimedes, his court scientist. He asked Archimedes to find out how much gold had been stolen. Archimedes set out to find the truth. He became more and more curious and thought about the problem day and night. One day, as he was about to get into his bathtub to have a bath, he noticed that the tub was already full to the brim. When he slid into the bathtub, a large quantity of water flowed over the brim. Something sparked in his mind. He jumped out and shouted as he dressed in his robes, "Eureka, Eureka!" Children, Eureka here means a cry of joy when one finds or discovers something. So he discovered that objects put in water will displace water. The displaced water will be equal in their volume. Archimedes then made a plan to find out the purity of the crown. He took 2 bowls and filled them with water. He put the crown into one bowl. He then put a cube of pure gold equal in weight to the crown in the other bowl. Water overflowed from both the bowls as he had placed both the bowls in 2 larger vessels. He could measure the quantity of water that had overflowed. Then he noticed that more water had fallen out of the bowl which had the crown in it. But the crown and the cube of gold were of the same weight. They should have sent out the same quantity of water. From this, Archimedes concluded that the crown had some other material or metals mixed in it. These metals took up more space in water. When Archimedes reported his findings to the king demanded the truth from the goldsmith. The goldsmith then confessed that he had stolen some gold and added some other metals while making the crown. The king was pleased to learn how Archimedes had used his natural curiosity and intelligence to catch the thief. Hope you have understood the chapter, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.